Are you looking for a Heroku alternative you can actually control? Dokku might be the lightweight pass you've been sleeping on. Dokku is a self-hosted platform as a service. It lets you deploy and manage web apps with simple Git pushes. No messing with Docker commands or manual setup every time. It's free, open source, extremely lightweight, runs on single VPs, built on Docker under the hood, but much simpler to manage. You can install plugins for databases, SSL domains, all with one-liners. Great for solo devs or small teams who want Heroku-like workflows without Heroku pricing. The cons is that it's not Heroku level polished. No web dashboard unless you add one, and debugging can get technical fast. Scaling horizontally also requires more manual setup. This isn't Kubernetes. Also, updates and plugin maintenance are on you. It's a DIY stack. Dev communities love how quick it is to get up and running. And if you want simple, self-hosted deployments with Heroku vibes, Dokku is very hard to beat. But beware that once your stack grows or you need multi-region scaling, it starts to feel like training wheels. However, anything more than small apps, you might outgrow it fast. Do you want a deeper dive or live setup walkthrough? Let me know in the comments. And if you're using Dokku in production, I'd love to hear how it's holding up. Catch you in the next one.